Good morning. I feel like it has been forever since I've like filmed a video, but I don't know. Well, anyways, hello and welcome back to my channel. Winston is losing his marbles because I cooked him some turkey and it is so hot. I can't give it to him yet. So I had to give him his breakfast in 2 parts. We do like kibble and then we'll just like sprinkle ground turkey on top, and I was too lazy to do it last night before I went to bed because I forgot. And then I was like relaxing on the couch, and then I remembered at like 11 o'clock that I didn't cook it yet, and I was like, I'll just do it in the morning. Oh, I know. I think he thinks I'm like being a terrible mom, but I really just don't want him to burn his mouth. So yeah, can dogs burn their mouths? Is that a weird question to ask? I don't know, but I'm making my coffee right now, so let's keep doing that. I have my cute mug again today, and then I've got my double shot espresso. I was gonna do just like a latte with the soy milk, like just like steam it, and then I decided I didn't want to do that. So, okay, you know what we'll do, Winston? We'll put turkey on this plate, okay? And we'll let it cool off, and then you'll eat it sooner. Oh, it's actually not even that hot. Maybe I was just being a little dramatic. If I could like move this camera without like having to take it off the tripod, I totally would, but my hands are covered in turkey. So, and it's like ground turkey, not like a Thanksgiving turkey. If I didn't, oh, I showed you what it looked like. So just about that much. He's very serious about his turkey, so nobody get in between him and that turkey. Anyways, so today is just gonna be a very regular Saturday. It's Saturday today, if I didn't say that. And I'm planning on walking on my walking pad like I do every morning. I know, it's cooling off. It's cooling off. Doing a walk on my walking pad, doing a workout. Technically today would be a rest day is my little like workout plan thing, but I didn't do one last night. I only did a walk. And I'd started my timer on my watch to do my workout. I was in there, I had my dumbbells ready to go, and then I was in my room. Let me finish doing my coffee, and then I will explain to you the event that happened last night. I know. I didn't feel like putting it on anything else. So, okay. Now that Winston has had his turkey and you and I can chillax, and I'll catch you up to speed. So last night we got home from work and I was standing in our bathroom. So we have we have an ensuite in our bathroom. So it's like our bedroom, and then it just like goes right into the bathroom. And I was like changing into more comfortable clothes after work, and then, you know, whatever. I was just like getting comfy before I made dinner, and I was in my bathroom and I was like, oh, that's kind of weird. This is like really loud buzzing noise. And in my head, I was like, oh no, what if there is like a swarm of bees up in our attic? And so I was like standing in there and I was like, oh no, it's probably like our pipes or just like something, I don't know. Oh my gosh, that is the biggest fly ever. Please do not tell me that's a horsefly. I love spring, but the bugs that come with it are not my favorite. Anyways, so I was standing there and I was like, that's so weird. So I come out here and I'm like doing whatever, I'm cooking dinner. Jordan goes in there and he's like, do you hear that like buzzing noise? I was like, yes, I heard it when I was in there, like changing and everything and just like putting a few things away. And so then later I go in there to do my workout again, or like to go and do my workout. Like I go back into my room and I still hear it. And I'm texting Jordan. I'm like, it literally, cause he was like sitting in the office, like at his little desk. And I was like, it literally sounds like there is a swarm of bees in our attic. And he was like, that is so weird. So he came in And this is like right when I was going to do my workout. So I had my like little timer ready to go, but it was like so annoying. And I was like, what is that noise? And yeah, so we were like trying to figure out what was going on. And so he gets up, he gets like one of our bar stools because we don't have a ladder. So he gets one of our bar stools, he climbs up onto the shelf in our closet, and then he can like reach the little attic thing, you know, like the cutout, and then it has like the thing you push up and you can like get into the attic that way. And surprisingly, our attic was really clean, which I was like terrified that there's gonna be like spiders in there and stuff. I don't know why. I just was like, because when we first moved in, there was like some spiders here and there, and I was like, oh no, like our attic is definitely gonna have spiders in there. But it was actually really clean, he said, and there was even a light, so that's wonderful. So he's like looking around, and the noise was so loud in the attic, and so we think it's something like our neighbors had like the bathroom fan on for like hours, and it was really loud. But he even tried to like go over and like knock on their door and be like, hey, like, do you guys have like your bathroom fan on, or like do you have something plugged in, or do you hear that buzzing noise too, like whatever. But they weren't home, and so because we had like a connecting wall between our houses. And so yeah, I mean, that was last night, so that was why I didn't do my workout. So by the time that was all done, I was like, it's like I just need to put pajamas on and go lay on the couch with Winston, because I can do my workout today, because it's supposed to be a rest day any day anyways. And so I was like, I may as well just like lay on the couch with Winston and everything, and then today I have extra time to just do a workout instead of having a rest day. So anyways, that was my night last night, and we never figured out what it was. But I woke up this morning and put my ear like against the wall, and I didn't hear the buzzing anymore. So I don't know, like I seriously have no idea. But we were gonna call the maintenance guy today to see like if it was still going on. We were gonna call them, but I don't know. Well, today, sorry, I'm still staring at that massive fly outside. Maybe I can show you. It's like so big. He's on the pavers right. Oh, okay, well, he's gone now. That's wonderful. Never mind. Never mind. He's gone, but I have my coffee. Winston's playing with his toys. Oh, well, Winston, there's a big fly out there. Oh no, he's right there. He's right there. Can you see it? Oh, not you. You're not the big fly. I gotta show the people the big fly out there. You probably can't see it, but that's okay. Just punch me in the neck. Vincent punched me in the neck so hard the other day on accident. He was just like laying down playing, and I was like standing, I was like petting him, and he went boom, punched me right in the neck, and I wanted to cry because it hurt so bad. But it was just an accident. I know, you were just being a silly boy. And you can't have more of this. You'll get chunky. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Don't lick the camera. Do you like my Christmas PJs? Today was just a wear the comfiest clothes that you can possibly find kind of day. And actually that was last night too. So let's plug this in. My favorite thing about my walking pad is that I can literally just wear my pajamas and some socks and just take a little walk. Oh my goodness. Listen, you're right in the camera. You're bumping the camera with your tail, honey. You're bumping the camera. Oh my gosh. Are you guys okay? Okay, well, now let's go take a little stroll. Why are you so obsessed with me right now, you stinker? What are you so obsessed with me for? Just kidding, I'm obsessed with you too. I am. Okay. He is so hyper, he has so much energy, and today needs to be the day that we fix that. Am I right? Okay. Okay. Every day does it. doesn't he? What's Rudy doing? What's he doing? Hello. Okay, we meet. It is probably, we meet again. It's probably like 45 minutes to an hour later. It's currently 11:45, so it's probably like 45 minutes later, and I'm gonna make a smoothie, and then I'm gonna do my makeup. I don't normally do my makeup on Saturdays unless I'm going somewhere, and I don't plan on going anywhere today, but I just want to feel put together. So we're gonna make a smoothie and then we're gonna do our makeup, and it's just gonna be a wonderful day. I showered, I rinsed off. I was feeling like so disgusting after I was walking, and I was like, I feel terrible. So not like terrible, but like just gross and like sweaty, probably because I was wearing pajama pants. That was on me, you know. So let's get the smoothie going. I'm gonna say it right now, don't come for me because I'm not putting any protein in this, okay? Except for the soy milk has a tiny bit, but honestly, not as much as, you know, people recommend. So I guess I should say, I'm gonna do, I think, half of this mango. I froze half an avocado yesterday because I made some Mexican food, and then I was like, well, I was gonna save it, and I was like, why don't I freeze it? Because I know that you can buy frozen avocado at the store, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try it out. I've never tried it. I was kind of intrigued. Some blackberries, soy milk, like I said, and probably a little bit of this. We're going all carbs, okay? This is gonna have to be a big smoothie. I'm gonna have to use my big smoothie thing because my little one is out of, they're dirty. Out of what? I don't know. Okay, I think can we prop up on this? Yes, we can. Okay, you're propped up on some peanut butter, so don't fall. Okay, got the massive smoothie thing. Normally I just do like the little cup because it came with both. I need to cut this up still. Okay, cut the mango up, and that took me so long. I love mangoes, and I know there's easier ways to cut them, but for some reason, I just always take the hard way, the long way. So let's do half a mango in here. I feel like this is not gonna taste like anything, but that's fine. Probably gonna be like a creamy texture. I don't have any banana, so. Couple blackberries. And then just a tiny bit of this. Okay. That was only strawberries. Should I do more than that? No. Just do that. I wish my mason jar that I used the other day was clean, but it's not. So I'm gonna have to use this, even though the smoothie is much bigger. Not a gorgeous color. I did add some ice. Ta-da! Get this cute little straw. I put only fruit in there, and it's like not sweet. It's still nice though. It still tastes like fruity, but it's not like super, super sweet. Still like it. I feel like my blender, I don't know if the blades are like dull, but I feel like it doesn't like blend up super well unless I put like ice in there, and so I don't know. So I put ice in this also just to like make it colder, but yeah. Two of us now, Winston. Just the two of us. gonna need my camera stand. What's it called? Tripod. Okay, dishwasher is going. And I am going to do my makeup really quick. Sorry, I'm like trying to figure out how I want this to go. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my makeup really quickly, and I'm not gonna do like a little run through. I'm not gonna go through each product and like how I'm doing and everything. If you want like an in-depth tutorial, I have one. I'll link it up in the top, and then because it's pretty much the same. I really don't switch my products hardly ever. And but yeah, maybe I'll put like the products on the screen or whatever that I'm using. But if you want me to like go in depth with my routine, I will put that up. I'll link it up somewhere. I don't know which side it is. It's kind of hard to remember. So I'm like, oh yeah, it's on this side, but I think it's actually on this side. So I don't know, but I'm just gonna do my makeup, and then it's gonna be kind of backwards, but I will be doing a workout and having lunch after this. So yeah, I just didn't really feel like doing a workout and then doing this. Oh, but I haven't even put moisturizer on. Okay. Okay, I'm so hungry. It's been a couple hours and I didn't actually even finish my smoothie because I left it on the counter. I was steaming some clothes for Jordan and I left it on the counter and it got warm and it grossed me out. So I feel so good now that I did my makeup though. And I'm like, yeah, this is the move. I mean, I feel incredible. Not planning on doing my hair or anything today, but Yeah, so now I'm gonna make lunch because I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna make some tacos. It is 1:40 right now. I didn't get up till 10:30 this morning. So yeah, normally I'm up like a little bit earlier, like between, depending on the day, between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. Like 6 a.m. if we've got to be like at church by 8. Sometimes I'll sleep until like 9 if we don't have to be at work until the afternoon. If it's a day off, maybe I'll sleep in. Maybe I'll wake up at like 8 a.m. I don't know. Honestly, it just depends. But today I slept in because it's Saturday, obviously. And I'm like, yeah, I don't have to be anywhere. I'm going to sleep in. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but I'm gonna make lunch and I'm making tacos because I have been in my taco era recently and this is what I've been doing. So last night we had tostadas for dinner. So I had made some pico, I cut up some avocado, which is why I froze that half of the avocado last night. So, but today I have some ground beef already cooked from the other night. So I'm gonna eat the rest of this. Got some corn tortillas and then I just have some lettuce, red onion and cilantro in here, but that's also in the pico, so I might not use that, but I'll definitely use the lettuce. And then I have some refried beans. So I think I'm gonna do 3 tacos, refried beans, beef, pico, lettuce. I'm starving, so let's do this. dusty. Sorry, my tripod's like moving, but it is so dusty and windy outside right now. I'm like, I'm not a fan of this. I don't know why. I do not like when it's really windy. But yeah, that's just personal preference. I don't like the wind. So it's really windy, really dusty today, but I just finished cleaning the house. Sometimes I go in like really in depth and I'm like scrubbing the floors on my hands and knees and I'm like really going in depth with everything. I did like dust the furniture and I have the sheets and towels drying right now, cleaned the bathroom, which you saw, cleaned our other bathroom, which you did not see, and vacuumed everything. So that's like really all I'm gonna do this week because I'm just not feeling it. And now I need to go do a workout. I'm not feeling it. I want to just like lay down, but I know once I get this done, and it's just an upper body workout, once I get this done, I'm gonna feel so like much better and so much more productive. So this is my workout for today. So what I did the other day is I went on ChatGPT and I typed in like, give me a workout routine. I can't remember like what exactly I said, but it gave me like 2 options. So it gave me like a 3 full body day workout routine, or a 4-day like workout routine where you like do like upper body, lower body, rest, upper body, lower body, rest, right? Upper body, lower body, rest. Oh, and then you do 2 rests at the end, 2 rest days. So I've been doing the 4-day plan and I've only done the lower body workout the other day. It was really good. And so all of these take between 30 and 35 minutes. So they're 5 to 6 exercises per session, 30 to 60 second rest between sets. And the total time is between 30 to 35 minutes. So the other day I did my lower body workout, which you do on the first day and the 4th day. And so you do goblet squats, step ups, Romanian deadlifts, Bulgarian split squats, glute bridge or hip thrusts, and then standing calf raises. So I did that on Thursday. And then I was gonna do my upper body workout, like I said earlier, but I'm gonna do that today, which is a dumbbell shoulder press, a dumbbell chest press, dumbbell lateral raise, tricep dips, like using a chair where you're like lowering your whole body, and then push-ups. And it gives you like the reps and everything, and I just like copied and pasted it into my notes app so I didn't have to go on to a little ChatGPT website every time. Sorry, hiccups. So this upper body workout is a push day, and then the other one is a pull day. But I'm not gonna do that today. And then they even have like, it gave me some like, oh, do this if you're like short on time or whatever. I'm not short on time, so I'm not gonna like skip out on like some exercises, but I could if I needed to. You just do like, wait, what? It just gives you like options to do shorter, like less reps, and it's like, oh, if you want to like make it even quicker, do like supersets with these exercises and whatever. So it makes it really simple and you don't have to think about it. So that's what I've been doing recently, as in since Thursday, because I was like thinking the other day, I'm like, I've been really like trying to meet like certain goals for this summer and like the spring, because I'm like, I just want to like feel and look my best. So I'm like trying really hard to meet those goals. So what I've been doing is I've been eating more in a calorie deficit and trying to be more active and get some good rest the past couple of months. And I definitely can say I feel like I've definitely made some progress, but I was like, I feel like I could definitely be making more progress. And I'm ready. I was like, I'm just ready to like add in like an extra like dumbbell workout like 3 to 4 times a week. So yeah, I'm really excited. So that's what I've been doing that for. And then it gives me like options. So it's like day 1, lower body, day 2, upper body, push focus, Day 3, rest or walk. Day 4, lower body. Day 5, upper body, pull focus. And then days 6 and 7, you do active rest. So you're walking, stretching, or like doing like Pilates or whatever. So yep, I'm really loving it, and I'm just gonna hype myself up and go and do my workout because I need to. If I don't do it soon, I'm gonna not do it at all, and I definitely want to do it. So let's do it. Alrighty, so Jordan is obviously home now, and I took a shower, washed my hair, and did another load of laundry. Oh. And what else did I do? We had dinner, cleaned up, watched an episode of our show, and I made a snack. I made some Jell-O earlier because I had it sitting in the fridge and in the pantry, and I was like, I just want a sweet treat. And I kept like putting it off because I was like, I don't want to have to wait for it to like set up or whatever. So then I put some like a few pieces of frozen fruit on top, and Jordan said I was crazy. But that's okay. But I didn't know what else. I wanted to have something with it. So, but Winston's playing with his toys, got a clean blankie, and now I'm just gonna watch a little bit of TV and then go to bed. So I think I'm just gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.